Hi, this is Jeff Bellinger here for another 2 Minute on Tuesday. Following up that great game in the Super Bowl that we had just on Sunday. That was a really good game, and hopefully everybody was able there to watch it. I found an interesting article back in December in Kiplinger's magazine that we put on the side here because we wanted to talk about it when we had some time. It talks about filial laws, and most people don't understand what filial laws are, but go back to Kiplinger's back in December if you want to see the entire article. More than half the states still have filial laws on the books, and what that law says is it's the obligation of the adult children to pay for and support their parents. Most of these laws, even in the states that they're in place, have gone long. They haven't been enforced for such a long time, but they're starting to reappear in court cases recently. Back in 2012, the state of Pennsylvania required that an adult son pay over $93,000 for his mother's nursing home care based upon these filial laws. Most families are not winding up in court, but the nursing homes and long-term care facilities are using this law to leverage against people. The filial laws actually can be dated back to the 16th century. They were called poor laws. You'll see that most of the states, all states actually had this law in place at some time. Most of the states repealed this law back in the 1960s when Medicaid came about, because Medicaid was supposed to become the safety net for poorer families. What you're finding is that parents will apply for Medicaid when the time becomes, sometimes they're disqualified because on the advice of someone, they were told to gift away the remaining assets to their children, or even when they apply, during the time of application, there could be bills mounting up that are not covered because they had not been approved yet. So it's really important. Nursing homes are starting to include in their admission contracts financial guarantee or responsible party to their contracts. So it's important to watch for these things. It's really an interesting article. It was back December 22nd in Kiplinger's. We bring this up because long-term care is one of those items that gets pushed aside quite a bit, and we do have some products and programs for those people that would have an interest in looking at this, not only from an individual standpoint but a group standpoint. So hopefully this helped you understand what filial laws are, and so that you can pay attention to them when the time comes. If you do have any questions, my name and contact information is going to appear on the next screen. Have a great day.